Hi guys! For today's video, we will be unboxing a gimbal from Zhinyun, and the model is Crane-M3 Pro. Let's open it! Wow! For a change, it's a sleek white, finally a bit feminine look, because all camera equipments are always boring black. The first thing in the box is a user manual. Second, and of course, this stylish carrying pouch. I love the material used in this bag. It's not cheaply done. It has two side pockets and a hook for the strap, and a zipper, nothing in there. And now let's open the main bag. Oh wow, it's jam-packed. So this is the main compartment. Okay, let's see what's in the zipper. These are cables for audio and charging. All cables are properly labeled. 10 points for that. Audio cables. Type-C cables such as Type-C camera charging cable, micro camera charging cable, and multi-Sony shutter release cable. And these are fill light filters for shadow exposure. And these are quick release plate along with the screw. And this is a phone clamp or smartphone mount. An anti-mold pocket with anti-moisture pocket. An instructions or product guide. One AA battery for the microphone. And that's all for the zipper pocket. Okay, we have here a strap for this bag. I love this one. It's a microphone for recording. Look how clean and stylish this microphone, and it's not flimsy and looks like it will last. XLR cable for recording. Okay, this is a gimbal tripod or camera stand. And now we're getting the main celebrity of this unboxing. And this is the Crane-M3 gimbal. My first impression overall of this, I must say, I am impressed not only because it's more feminine and stylish. The material used from the bag to the gimbal are not flimsy or cheap materials. They feel that it will last. And the most important for me is this is not so heavy for my little hands. An OC organization hack. I have lots of these clear plastic containers to keep small parts together, and I can label them properly. Here's a quick test while walking. And here's my quick test while riding a hoverboard. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Please comment what you think and any video topic you want me to make.
Thank you very much!
Subscribe now.